Okay, here's a quick look at the market through the eyes of emini day trader for Tuesday, October the 5th, 2010. We had mentioned yesterday on the video that the 37 area was a key area to monitor overnight. By the way, this is yesterday's action. This is what occurred overnight, and this one here is what occurred the regular trading hours today. And as you can see, the market came up into 37 in the overnight session, hovered around, and that had a nice rally up closer to the RTH open. You can see the RTH open up here, which was right at our next target, knowing that if the market could hold above 37, then the 44 area would be the next target, and then above that would sort of free sailing ahead. So you can see the open happened right at that next barrier, but then quickly started to move up. And then, of course, the news was released, and then it really started to rock and roll, have a good move up, and basically continued for the rest of the day. So really had a nice follow-through off of the weakness of the selling yesterday that we were on the lookout for. So we can see a little bit of support in the 52 area. Other than that, things are looking pretty bullish here in the stock market. Here's the regular profiles of the regular trading hours only. Here's our software here, and you can see that our filter was, of course, it started neutral, but then for pretty well the whole day was green. Had a couple of neutral patches as it tried to back off up in here, but we did have that one short signal here, which was the reaction just after the news. The market did come down a bit from there, but just after that happened, you can see we had two blue up arrows here, another blue up, another blue up. So we had three good indications here of getting on the long side. Later in the day, we did have two indications to get short when the market turned in the neutral. Obviously, these are trades that we did not take in such a strong up day, especially after the market was able to hold above the 44 area that we knew was a good barrier. So this trade in here, in a very strict sense, it only hit the first objective and then came back, stopped us at break even. But our other opportunities here were good. This trade took a while to unfold. As we were into this trade, it took quite a while for it to start to rally. This particular trade, as you can see, this one here, I'm referring to this up arrow here, signifies the entry price right here. And as you can see on these, it came within 2 ticks of our entry, so no entry on that. So just a couple of good long trades here today. Now, these of course are the mechanical type trades, but as you know in listening to these videos, if you have been, that we were looking that we would have some significant break from the consolidation of all of last week, and we got it on Monday, but we were suspect of that sell-off, very weak, and thinking that it could turn around. And if it did hold above 37, then 44, and above 44, sort of clear sailing ahead. So from that background, our traders were able to capitalize on that market condition, as opposed to only taking these specific trade setups and triggers. So that was good to get that feedback today. So that's really what we're looking at going into tomorrow, and should it come back down into that 52 area, I think that would probably be a good area to get in. If not, probably down around the 49 area. So that's really what we're looking at, and no real overhead resistance. Obviously today's high, but nothing really of significant other than that. So that's a quick look at the market through the eyes of emini day trader for today. Any questions or comments, please get a hold of us at info@eminidaytrader.com, and we always enjoy hearing from you. Questions or comments are always welcome. So thanks for watching the video. That'll be it for today, and we'll see you again tomorrow.